Hi, this is Boris Schlossberg, and the biggest story in the currency market today is the utter and complete demise of the dollar. It's literally been St. Valentine's Day massacre in the currency markets today as the dollar hit 15-month lows against the yen, lost ground against the euro and the pound and the Aussie as well. The culprit for this move was the contrasting data from the US today, where the CPI, the inflation numbers, came in much hotter than expected at 0.5 versus 0.3, while the US retail sales, the consumer demand, was much softer, basically coming in flat against the 0.5% expectation. This really set the market up for the worst of possible worlds, because we're now in a situation where the Fed is almost forced to have to raise rates at the next policy meeting in March because of the very high inflation rate that is now above 2%. At the same time, the much vaunted consumer is really not there as far as demand goes, and the market is becoming very cautious about the prospect of stagflation, the idea of high prices and low growth, sort of the worst of possible worlds that could have massive negative impact on the US economy going forward. So having basically seen these kind of numbers, the markets really sold off very hard in the currency market and created tremendous amount of technical damage. Dollar yen now has basically broken at the 15-month lows and could, over the next couple of weeks, move towards the 95 handle on the yen futures basis and 105 on the spot basis, as markets get very uncomfortable with the idea that US economy, which was expected to really be the shining beacon of the world, may actually be slowing down, while US inflation, which was very tempered for so long and really not a problem for any of the investors, is now becoming a very serious problem. So a situation where you have high rates and slow growth is not a good environment for the dollar, and that creates further selling as we go forward. This is Boris Schlossberg reporting from NYMEX, and that's the biggest story in the currency market today.